What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video, and today I am going to be getting some epic shots in with Miss Colorado. And that why isn't it focusing? That is Colorado right here. Of course, you know Zy and Dre, but we are back at it. Everybody has a camera in Colorado. What is wrong with this lens today? Jeez. Size over here directing. Dre's on Snappy Chat and Instagram. That's what I'm talking about. Get it.
I could actually like take it off.
All right.
On again.
Why pageantry?
Oh, why pageantry?
Why pageantry?
Miss America officially isn't a pageant anymore.
Oh.
We are a competition, but I got started in it because I was very shy, like painfully shy kid, and I didn't have any self-confidence. My mom in 2011 said like, okay, we'll just do one.
Then you got hooked.
It's been 10 years, so it's fine.
Outstanding. See, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Y'all don't realize that all of us are still in a damn army. It's crazy. Not for long?
I get out in 2 months.
You get out in 2 months?
Yeah.
What do you, hold on. She gets out in 2 months. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go to school. I wanna go to law school. So I have to finish my undergrad first, and then after that is when I'm gonna finally apply. And I'm staying in Denver, so
Okay.
not too far away.
No, not too far away at all. You ain't getting out no time soon, are you?
No, I'm getting out.
You go over to the studio?
I'm going to school for medical.
Okay, that's good stuff, man. That's good stuff.
Be a nurse. The main goal is to get my master's. I don't know if I'm gonna get my PhD.
Okay. America's mountain. You can't beat it. Huh? It's on you. No, I'm here. Trust me.
I throw directions, so be down there. We got more.
I see shots in my head.
We got more. Oh.
They're about to pop a smoke bomb. Dude, the elevator's broke, ain't it? This is true. See, this is why I don't like elevators. I'll take the chance. I swear I'll take the steps every chance I get. See, that's where I got stuck at, in the elevator in church. In church, Walnut Street Baptist Church, Louisville, Kentucky. It was like 1990 something. Y'all weren't even thought of yet.
God knew where you needed to be, okay?
This is true. So we done moved locations for the second time and got another one in. I don't know why. You can't even see him. Walk out. You gotta walk forward. And making a mess. Clearly making a mess here.
If you can see it enough, I think it'd be interesting to do some more like editorial style. Sorry
All
it
right.
took so long.
Favorite place in America?
Colorado, obviously. No, I want to go. I've been to the paint mines exactly one time, but I want to go back just because I need to explore more, and I feel like I haven't enough.
Okay. All right. Mine is definitely Cheyenne Canyon. I love it up there. Cheyenne Canyon's where it's at. You can drive all the way up into Cheyenne Canyon. It's blocked off right now, so you have to take the back way over. It's over here somewhere, like Lower Canyon, Lower Upper Hunters, or whatever that road is by Walmart. Yeah, Go Camp. You have to take that all the way back in the back. I drove it like last week. Last week I drove back up in there, so it's actually pretty nice.
I like going on drives where I can just like go places and I don't have to worry about getting out.
Okay. All right, so we're about to turn this into a little competition right here. Me, Cy, and Dre. You want to get in on this? You can get in on this too. Best shot crossing the street. Best crossing the street shot. Best crossing the street shot. Oh, he's in. You're in this. You're in this. There we go. Why you all? All right. Hey, did you see the reel I posted the other day? Speaking of French.
Speaking that shit bad as hell.
Oh, man.
Like, bro, why you so angry? You're telling me.
Have you ever seen somebody vlog and take a photo at the same time? It looks like this. If my camera was actually on. Y'all all in the frame. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Let's do this.
Here we go again, live from the middle of the street as usual. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog for today. If you want to see the photos, be sure to check out my Instagram, and I'll be sure to link their Instagrams down below, along with Miss Colorado. Say bye, Miss Colorado.
Bye.
And as usual, you already know, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.